Guys, welcome to another fantastic video. Guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can earn money using Monetag. Okay, so watch the video to the end because I'm going to show you how you can actually make money using Monetag. I'm going to walk you through everything you need to do. But today's video we are going to focus specially on direct link, or another name for it is I think it's social it's direct link, right? I'm going to show you how you can actually make money using direct link or smart link. Okay, so make sure you watch the video till the end. So if you have been looking for ways to monetize your social media handle or your blog or your website or anything at all, you are looking for a way to make money monetizing those platforms, then you need to try out Monetag smart link or direct link. This is actually a link that will actually help you make money, and everything you need to know about it is detailed on this particular video you're about to watch. So all you need to do first of all, in order for you to get started, is to first of all you need to sign up for an account, right? So you can either sign up with an email or you sign up with your Google account. To sign up with email, you just need to fill out all of these details, right? Your first name, email address, country of residence, the contact, phone number, and then you are going to do some verification, some ID verification. Now this is actually going to be very good if you enter correct details, because with that correct details they can be able to verify you easily and faster. Okay, so once you are done with your verification, you are going to be brought straight to your dashboard. So your dashboard is going to look something like this. Now if you are looking for ways you can actually make money using Monetag, this is actually one of the best way you can actually do that. By using Monetag direct link, you can make as much as you want, as long as you have places where you can actually place these links, and you can place these links on your Facebook, Instagram, X, even on your website or your apps, wherever that you have traffic, right? You can place this direct link or smart link on those platforms, and you can actually make money for yourself. Now one thing I love about Monetag as well is that with as little as $5 you can actually withdraw your payment, right? It's not like other platform where you need to wait for a threshold of like $100, $200, $1,000 before you can actually withdraw. But from Monetag, with as little as $5 you can actually withdraw your payment, and you can do that using Payoneer, or you can actually do that using PayPal, whichever one works for you. And they have other ones like Skrill, as you can see, even PayPal, okay, cryptocurrencies as well, but minimum of $100. But if you are looking to withdraw $5 or less, then you need to use PayPal, Payoneer, or even Skrill. So that's one thing I love about the platform Monetag. And if you do what you need to do correctly without cutting corners, you are going to make money with it. Now we are going to focus more on direct link. Now direct link, let's see exactly what this direct link is even all about. So with direct link is a special URL designed to take visitors to the most relevant offers and bring publishers the highest revenue. So if you have a social media account where you normally get some amount of views on it, you can place this direct link on your post, and when people click on it to visit, it's going to show them relevant ads, not just anyhow ads that are very relevant to them, and that way you are going to make money for yourself, and it's going to come with the highest revenue, right? So other platform will not pay you per revenue as much as what Monetag will pay you, which is actually very nice. And this platform Monetag, very, very legitimate, because myself, I have made money from the platform, and I'm not just saying it. You can see on the dashboard I've actually earned more than $200 from the platform. So that's exactly what we're talking about. So following smart link is a user sees one of the several thousands offers which is most likely to stimulate the target actions, which is purchase, install, registration, etc. Those are the target actions. The more user complete the target action, the more money you earn. Do you understand? So with that smart link, I'm going to show you what the smart link looks like, so keep watching. So the more users do exactly what the smart link, the target of the smart link is all about, the more you're going to make money. Okay, so user clicks the smart link, user data is transferred, then algorithm analyzes the data, user preference, okay, geo, which is geolocation, device, etc. So algorithm analyze it and then determine what is now accurate for that users to see. So user is redirected, the user is now redirected to that relevant ad. Now users see the most relevant and converting offer, and then when they see this, they click on it, they complete what the target is all about. you make money. Now let's see that in action, because don't forget I said I'm going to show you that in action. So this is my own direct link. I just created it by clicking on this section that says here add a direct link, as you can see. So when you create your account, you're going to click on create direct link, and once you do that, this is my own direct link. If I copy this direct link now, let me copy it, let me come over to a new window now and paste it. So let's say I'm writing a Facebook post and I've written that and I add that my own smart link, and people click on it. So it's going to, for instance, when I click on the direct link now, let's say I click on direct link, it's going to analyze my data and then ask me to do this human verification, just normal thing. Then it's going to now transfer my data and then immediately bring back a relevant ad that is for me. Now this ad is targeted for me, as you can see. Update your browser. This is actually this is targeting. This is an ad that is targeted for me. So you might click it and it's not going to show you this, because it's going to show you something that is very relevant to you. Now I'm using an old browser and it detected that and it's asking me to update it. Now if I click on continue, as you can see, I've completed that target action and it's going to go ahead to update it. Now if you are the person that owns this direct link, once I complete this action, you are going to earn money. Do you understand? So that's exactly how it works. So I'm not going to do all this, because it is not this is just for me testing it out, but I just wanted to show you how it is. I'm going to show you how you can add it to your Facebook or Instagram or even on your website, right? So keep watching. So this is my own smart link and I've showed you exactly how it's done. Copy the link and use it wherever you see fit. Use it however you want. Link to the item on the website or landing page to open a propounded when the user clicks, or simply send traffic from various social media sources. What next? The link is already active and you can check it in your statistics. You can check statistics to see exactly how many people click on it, and as you can see, I just created it, and so there's no much data because I am the only person clicking on it right now. So you're going to see, when you click on statistics, you see the impressions, see the profits, see the cost and CPM you're getting, and everything you need to know. So that's exactly how it works. So how can you add this thing to your social media? Let me walk you through how you can use it. Right, I've showed you how to get a smart link. I've showed you that you can make money with it. I've showed you that Monetag is legit, so make sure you keep using it. Now let me show you how you can actually add this to your social media. Right, so let's say for instance I have a Facebook. Let me open my Facebook account. So I'm going to open my Facebook account, and then once my Facebook account is active, now I can write my Facebook post or LinkedIn or Instagram and then add that smart link to it. So let me just go to my feeds and then let me show you how it's done. Right, so very good and very easy to do. So let's say I want to post something on my page, right, on my Facebook page. I can write whatever thing I see fit to post on my Facebook page. Right, I can do that here, and I can also now add that direct link. As you can see here, I've added the direct link, and I can go ahead to continue what I'm writing. Don't forget, this can be anything. So I can say users to click here to just find something. Please don't deceive people, right? Just go straight to the point. Just add the direct link, or you can even highlight a particular text if you're going to be using like LinkedIn or Instagram, or LinkedIn or some other thing. You can then mix this text, and when they click on here, you can redirect them to your direct link. You understand? I just use Facebook for instance. If you own a website, let's say you own a website, any kind of website, right? You can actually add it to your website, either your blogs or your anything. You can add it and people are going to get it. So that's exactly how smart link work. And when you post it, people that clicks on it is going to redirect them to a place, and then they can go ahead to use it. Now smart link is not, or this direct link is not limited. You can use it on social media, on your website, or anywhere at all. The main thing is people are going to click on it. As long as people click on it and they complete the targeted action, you are going to get paid for sure. Okay, and you can withdraw as little as $5 from Monetag. Fantastic platform. So go ahead, register, sign up for an account, and start using the smart link or the direct link. I'm right here waiting to see all the magic that you guys are going to use. Right. So guys, I hope I have been able to inform you and encourage you to use this platform direct link from Monetag as much as possible. So if you want to sign up, if you want to do anything, I have a referral link in the description below, or you can actually go to monetag.com and then you sign up and start becoming a publisher to start making money for yourself. So thank you for watching this video. I hope it's going to be helpful, and I hope you understand one or two things. So I'll see you guys on the next video. Thank you very much. Keep enjoying the platform. Monetag. Peace out.